Hi, I'm Tasha from One Big Happy Life on behalf of the Financial Diet, and this is the Lifestyle Fix brought to you by Skillshare. Online shopping is a huge part of many people's lives, and Amazon is a major player in the online market. In 2018, it was estimated that Amazon had nearly 50% of the US retail e-commerce sales. In comparison, eBay, in second place, had just 6.6% of retail e-commerce sales. It seems like Amazon sells practically anything you could want, whenever you want it. Whether it's a DVD set of your favorite childhood TV show, a new kitchen gadget, the latest New York Times bestseller, or supplies for your home office. With an Amazon Prime membership and its many perks, including free shipping and insanely cheap same-day shipping through Prime Now, it's really easy to slip into turning to Amazon for all of our purchases. I've definitely experienced this firsthand. When I first became a Prime member back in 2005, I placed 9 orders, 8 of which were textbooks, and the other was a Mariah Carey CD. Compare that to 2019, where my family made 140 orders, and where things I bought included a 2-part epoxy, diapers, barn door hardware, Sushi Go Party, and ovulation predictor tests. While the convenience is great, Amazon, like any other retailer, doesn't always have the best deals on the products you need, and for other purchases, it might be better to skip convenience and save money by buying elsewhere. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 6 items that you should never buy from Amazon. Number 1, clothing. Clothes shopping is hard enough when you're in a store and have dozens of clothing racks in front of you. Clothing manufacturers don't have consistent sizing, especially for women's clothing. The sizes are arbitrary and vary wildly from one brand to the next. With books and diapers, what you see is what you get. Clothing, on the other hand, you never know if something is going to work out unless you actually try it on. When you buy clothes from Amazon, you're basically going off of the picture, and most likely it's a brand that you might not be familiar with. The shirt that looks so office appropriate on the stock photo mannequin might only be suitable for a night out when you put it on. There's really no way of knowing if the clothing in the picture will fit like you want it to, especially if you're trying a new to you brand of clothing. Online shopping doesn't let you feel the fabric the clothing is made from, or examine the stitches to check the quality of the piece. If you're going to go to a store in person, it's easy to grab several sizes at once, try them all on in the dressing room, and then only pay for the clothing you like. It's a lot harder to replicate that experience on Amazon or other online-only stores. You could buy 3 different sizes of the same shirt up front, then try them on at home and send back the ones that don't fit, but that's kind of impractical and a bit expensive for most people. Unless the clothing you buy on Amazon specifically lists free returns as one of the features, you'll likely be out the cost of shipping even if you do send the clothing back. Unlike many clothing retailers that sell both in person and online, you can't go to an Amazon store to return the clothing and immediately get your money back. Instead, you have to wait till your return gets processed by Amazon. Buying clothing on Amazon can be a difficult and frustrating process unless you know exactly what brand and size you need. For most clothing items, I prefer to buy them in person or from an online retailer that also has physical stores near me. Number 2, furniture. The listing for a couch on Amazon can include exact dimensions, multiple photographs from several angles, and dozens of 5-star reviews. But none of those things can actually tell you if you're going to enjoy sitting on that couch. Yes, you can read the reviews, but who do you believe when reviewers can't agree if a mattress is too soft or too hard? I don't want to assemble a dining room set only to discover that the decorative chair back digs painfully into my shoulder blades when I sit down. Comfort is a deeply personal thing, and it can be very difficult to judge whether the love seat online will be exactly what you wanted it to be until you've lounged in it. I'd rather go to a store and spend some time testing out the furniture before I buy it or assemble it. Buying new furniture and hating it is an expensive and frustrating experience, and I'd rather increase the odds of actually liking my purchase by having a chance to see the furniture in person before I buy. Amazon's 30-day return policy also isn't very generous when it comes to furniture. It can take a while for you to realize that that new office desk doesn't suit your needs, or for the new setup to start causing you pain due to ergonomic issues. IKEA, on the other hand, has a 365-day no-nonsense return policy. If you're looking to buy furniture, there are better places to do it than Amazon. Number 3, gift cards. While I love getting gift cards to Amazon, because let's be honest, I shop there a lot, Amazon isn't always the best place to buy gift cards. Most of the time, the gift cards that you buy on Amazon are straight dollar-for-dollar purchases. If I buy a $25 gift card, I'll be spending $25 in order to get it. While you can find a handful of discounted cards in Amazon's gold box deals, there's no guarantee that you're going to be able to find the gift card that you want there. There are other places where you can more reliably find discounted gift cards. Costco, for example, has $100 worth of Build-A-Bear gift cards for just $70 and frequently has sales on iTunes gift cards. My nearby Costco also regularly has gift cards for local restaurant chains or discount passes to local amusement parks that Amazon just doesn't sell. There are also several online gift card resellers like Cardpool that offer discounts on resold gift cards and offer purchase guarantees. I can find 11% off discounts on Old Navy gift cards, 15% discounts on Cheesecake Factory gift cards, and 8% discounts on Ulta gift cards. And even if I weren't interested in buying resold gift cards, my local grocery store chain regularly offers bonus fuel points for purchasing gift cards through them, which I can then use to get a discount at the gas station. While Amazon does have an impressive range of gift cards, it doesn't always have the best deals on those gift cards. You should check other retailers first for your gift card needs before you resort to Amazon. Number 4, cleaning supplies. Trying to buy cleaning supplies on Amazon is complicated. Some items can be purchased at the listed price, while some other items can only be purchased as add-on items, which means that if you want to buy them, you need to be spending more than $25. Still, on other items, you can only get the best price by enrolling in the Subscribe and Save program. And on other items, you can only buy them through Prime Pantry. That's like pretty convoluted. While you can find good deals on cleaning supplies on Amazon, you can also find similar deals at Target, Walmart, the dollar store, or even your local grocery store if you have store or manufacturer coupons. Costco, Sam's Club, and other warehouse stores are also excellent options for cleaning supplies if you have the room to store items in bulk. With cleaning supplies and other basic household items like toilet paper, you want to do careful comparisons with other stores before you go ahead and add them to your Amazon cart. Number 5. Brand name accessories. If you're into luxury goods, you know just how big those price tags can get. It's tempting to go to Amazon to see if you can score a deal on that one item you really want, but brand name accessories are one of the categories where you really want to shop around before you commit to Amazon, especially if you want to make sure that you're getting the real thing. According to an April 2018 article in The Atlantic, Amazon, like many other sites that allow third-party vendors to sell through them, has something of a knockoff and counterfeit problem. If you're going to buy from a third-party seller on Amazon, be sure to do your due diligence in order to make sure that you're actually going to get what you paid for. If you want to get great discounts without having to worry about knockoffs, you can always head to your local outlet. The outlet stores might even have better prices on the exact same items than Amazon. For example, a Michael Kors Addison leather backpack is $160 at Nordstrom Rack, but it was going for $289 on Amazon. If you can't find what you want at an outlet store, you should also check trusted resellers like ThredUp for gently used items. Number 6. Cosmetics. And speaking of knockoffs, counterfeit cosmetics are also a booming industry. In August 2018, the BBC reported on the seizure of MAC, Chanel, NARS, and other high-end brand counterfeits, and how the counterfeit products had ingredients in them that could cause chemical burns and skin rashes. Some of the counterfeits that were tested even had mercury in them. Even the FBI has issued warnings about the proliferation of fake cosmetics and the dangerous chemicals or urine that they can contain. You definitely don't want any of this stuff anywhere near your face. When it comes to the cosmetics on Amazon, it's not uncommon to find reviews that call the authenticity of the product into question, especially if the product is sold by a third-party seller. That's risky business. Buying from Amazon means missing out on the perks that come with shopping from specialty stores like Sephora or Ulta. They offer free samples, generous return policies, and rewards for loyal customers. I would much rather find out that a new moisturizer is going to make me break out after I try a free sample for a few days rather than after I've bought the whole bottle. Sephora and Ulta will generally give you a full refund within 60 days as long as you have your receipt, while Amazon typically only gives you 30 days. Going to stores in person means you can test items out before you buy them, unlike with Amazon, which saves you the time and frustration of having to wait 2 days for your package to arrive only to discover that the colors on your computer monitor don't match the real-life makeup colors. I'm always a lot happier buying an eyeshadow palette if I can do swatches on my skin before I buy it. While Amazon can be a reputable source if you're careful about who you buy from, you may also want to consider buying directly from specialty makeup and skincare stores that you can trust that will allow you to easily return the products that don't work for you. Now that I've shared my list of things that you should never buy on Amazon, let's talk about a great place to learn some new things. Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes in design, business technology, and more. Premium membership gives you unlimited access to high-quality classes on essential topics so you can improve your skills, unlock new opportunities, and do the work you love. Looking to learn some new skills so that you can finally start that side hustle? Check out DKNG's class, Mastering Illustrator, 10 tips and tricks to speed up your workflow, where you'll learn the tricks of the trade that they use to tackle the design projects quickly and efficiently in Illustrator. Click the link in the description box to join the millions of students already learning on Skillshare today and to take advantage of a special offer just for TFD viewers. The first 500 visitors will get 2 months of unlimited access to over 25,000 classes for free. Act now so you don't miss out and start learning today. Thank you so much for tuning in to this latest episode of The Lifestyle Fix. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tune in here every single Friday for new episodes. See you next week. Bye.